Do you dream of a flatter belly that turns heads and makes your friends a little envious at the beach? Are you looking for simple yet effective ways to tone your midsection and boost your confidence? Imagine slipping into your favorite outfit without a second thought. Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're sharing something that could change your morning routine and your body. Yes, we're talking about drinks that can help get that flatter belly you've been aiming for. Imagine waking up, reaching for a natural drink that boosts your metabolism, detoxifies your system, and gently kicks your digestive system into gear. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have warm lemon water, simple, but very powerful. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, helping reduce bloating and flush out toxins. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water, sip slowly, and let it cleanse your system and rev up your metabolism. This drink works best on an empty stomach, setting the stage for a lighter, brighter you. Another amazing option is apple cider vinegar with water. Just 1 tablespoon in a glass of water helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces appetite throughout the day. Remember, it's a little sour, so add a teaspoon of honey if you need to sweeten it up. This drink is a fantastic way to support fat burning before you even start your day. For all the tea lovers, there's green tea with ginger. Green tea is famous for its fat-burning properties, thanks to its high antioxidant levels, and when you add a slice of ginger, it's even better. Ginger fights inflammation and improves digestion, while green tea boosts your metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. And if you're after a smoothie, try a simple green smoothie: just spinach, cucumber, celery, and a splash of lemon juice. It's a powerful, hydrating, and nutrient-packed blend that supports your digestion and gives you energy. If you're enjoying this content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Cucumber is more than just a crunchy snack. It's packed with water, keeping you hydrated, and it has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce bloating. This makes cucumber a powerful ingredient for supporting digestion and helping your belly feel lighter. The high water content also helps flush out toxins, so you feel refreshed and less weighed down. When you combine cucumber and mint, you create a powerhouse drink that hydrates, detoxifies, and aids in digestion, helping you move one step closer to your flat belly goals. To make it, just slice a cucumber, add a handful of fresh mint leaves, and let it infuse in cold water for a few hours. Sip throughout the day, and let nature work its magic. Whichever drink you choose, let it become part of your daily ritual, a fresh start that works from the inside out. So, cheers to a flatter belly and healthier mornings. We hope you've learned something new in our content, and will apply it to your well-being. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for watching.